If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha everybody, we are very excited to be here because we are making a protein hot chocolate that is going to give you energy, and there are no protein powders in this, but if you are sick of eggs, you are going to want to try this recipe. Okay, Kai, you're looking at the wrong camera. This is our camera that we're staring at, okay? So Kai, what I'm going to do first is you're going to stand aside. You are the stealer of the camera. You could either use water, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk, or if you want a thick and delicious drink, we're making this dairy-free, you could use a can of coconut milk. So I am going to heat this over a stove while Kai tells you a funny joke.
Okay. What do you get when you crossed a snowman with a vampire?
I don't know, what?
Frostbite.
Frostbite. Aw, funny. You're a goofy boy. Ha ha ha. Okay, so you have that heating over the stove, all right? And now you're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. 2 raw eggs into a bowl. Can you do that, Kai? I know you like to crack eggs. And you're going to want a mixer. Ooh, let's open that on up. Yep, that's all right. It's just the shell. There we go. 1 and a 2. So this is, instead of having 2 eggs, you're going to have 2 eggs. That's okay. Just leave that. It's fine. You're going to put, oh, you got it. Okay. We're going to put the 2 raw eggs into the mixer. There we go. And then we're going to add some unsweetened cocoa powder into there. This would be a great energy drink if you went skiing or sledding and it was, you're out of energy, right? You're out of energy. And we're going to use something called LMNT. Now, LMNT is an electrolyte drink mix that has everything you want for, if you have the keto flu, LMNT is our favorite electrolyte mix because it's basically 0 calories. It has the right type of magnesium glycinate that you want. It has a little bit of potassium, and it has salt. Now, salt is a flavor enhancer that you want to add to your things, your desserts. Excuse me, buddy. That's good. And you're going to add a little bit of vanilla, and you're going to add just a pinch of cinnamon. I'm going to do that, okay, bud? Because I know how you are with your cinnamon and your salt. And then if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, we're going to add a little dash of chocolate stevia. Now, don't open that, please, because we already have it boiling, okay? Now, what you're going to do is, Kai, can you turn the blender on?
Yes.
Let's put the cover on first. Turn the blender on and mix that all on up in the eggs. Can you do that? Oh. Okay. So, on. There we go. We're mixing it on up. Mix it on up. Okay. Now, don't turn it up. Don't turn it up. With it on low, you're going to add the boiling hot liquid into it, and it's going to slowly, very slowly cook the eggs. Just enough so they're not raw. It's going to make a nice, thick, hot chocolate. Woo! You turned it up, didn't you? It's not on 1, is it? Is it on 1? Oh, it is. All right. You know what? Let's just turn. How about this? There we go. Ooh, it's looking good. There we go. I'm going to grab a hot chocolate drink holder. Now, I added a lot of chocolate in there. Oh, it looks good. Mommy's not very safe. There we go. Oh, it smells delicious, Mr. Kai. Might be a little hot. So now we have our hot, hot, hot chocolate. Oh, look how thick and delicious that is. It's a little hot, though. You're going to be careful, okay? You going to be our taste tester like you always are?
That's good.
That's good? You like that good stuff?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell everybody?
Cook with their kids.
Cook with your kids. And if you ever are looking for the ingredients that we use in our YouTube videos, we always have them in the links below. LMNT is a really kind, small company. We love the owners. And they might even be watching our Facebook Live right now. So mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.